Okay lang, coach.
Walang, yun ang tanong ng lahat eh. Sino pipiliin nyo?
Kung sino? Nagdi-decision pa kami. Pinag-usapan namin ni Boss Jacob Pinagopache kung sino. But probably we're going to look for a player who is versatile enough na sa kulang namin sa especially sa depensa. Putas namin talaga ceiling. Kulang kami sa malaki. And at the same time, firepower, kulang din kami sa offense. So, kung sino man yun, yun ang decision ng management and the coaching staff.
Coach, how do you like itong field na to with the Baltasar, Fairfield, with the Balungay? How do you like yung pagpipilian nyo?
1 month before the deadline, kala natin boring yung drafting eh. After a week, yung last week, all of a sudden, everything became interesting because of yung mga umabot na mga magagaling na mga players. Akala nga natin hindi malalim eh. Pero nung dumating na yung sina Fairfield, sina Poly, mga unexpected, biglang naging malalim yung pool.
Masasabi nyo, kumbaga parang dati, parang natay lang na kay Buddy. Pero nung dumating, nasabi nyo agad na yun, nasabi nyo
Well, mahirap kasi mapapaisip ka eh. And may mga players na nasa pool na not every year sasali or not every batch may mga ganun players. May mga players dito na pwede mong gawing foundation or haligi ng program. May mga players dito na they'll be good for 5 to 7 years. Magiging competitive yung program mo as long as you get them.
Coach, tingin mo ba kasi marami rin nata kayong second round, tama ba? So, tingin mo ba may makukuha pa kayong quality by that time because of the depth of the draft?
May mga abot doon. And may mga players kasi na during their college years, and especially grade of combine, minsan hindi makikita eh. And pag sampa nila sa pro, all of a sudden, biglang naging pro. So, hindi natin masabi.
Without mentioning this, ilan na sa radar nyo?
Well, depende doon sa draft namin. Madami kami second round. Of course, we're going to use them. But magdidepende kung sino available pa din sa second round.
Okay, in terms sa number 1 pick, mga nasa ilang, without mentioning names, mga nasa ilan
yung
nasa radar nyo?
nasa radar namin? 3 to 4 players. Nandun sa first round na pwede namin mag-isip.
Pero within the next few days, mapabawasan na yun.
Probably.
Coach, ano lang, may iba lang. Kumusta yung team nyo? May import na ba kayo?
Wala pa. Yung team, trying to organize yung sistema namin. Yung mga rookies, nakaka-adjust na. If you've noticed, yung first group namin, composed of 3 rookies. Kay JL, King, and Brian. Yung holdover lang doon, Alec and Justin. And may mga nasa second group kami ng mga rookies din. So, basically ganun pa rin. Mga bata pa rin. Hopefully, mature and mag-grow pa kumbaga sila dito sa video.